Hi friends, welcome to the Exam Truth YouTube channel. Today in this session we are going to discuss about number series. So in this number series we have different patterns. Following on different patterns, different number series will be there. We'll get one or two questions in different examinations. So let us discuss one by one. So here it is the first question. 7, 15, 32. Next, what is the number? And 138 to 18. So here the pattern is like 7 into 2 plus 1 is nothing but 15. Next 15 into 2 plus 2. So into 2 plus 2. Next here it is into 2 plus 3. So 32 into 2 is nothing but 32 into 2 is equal to 60. 64 plus it is 3, that is 67. So 67 is our answer. So check further. 67 into 2, 67 into 2 plus it is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So right answer. Next question. So here it is 8, 12, 10, 16, next 12. So here it is increasing and then decreasing, then increasing and then decreasing. So it is alternate series. So here 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Here 12 plus 4 is 14. Next 12 plus 4 is 16 and 16 plus 4 is 20. So 20 is our answer. Right. Go for the next question. Here it is 3, 5, 6, 10, 9, 15, 12. So it is also the alternate series. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So the next number will be 12 plus 3. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So 20 is our answer. So option B is the right answer. Next question. It is 21, 22, 24, 27, 31, 36. What is the next number? So here 21 plus 1 is 22, 22 plus 2 is 24, 24 plus 3. So here plus 1, here plus 2, here plus 3, here plus 4, here plus 5, and the next number will be plus 6, that is 36 plus 6 is 42. So option B is our answer. Next question. So here 3, 4, 7, 11, 18 and 29. So what is the next number? We have to know. So here it is increasing on order, but there is no multiplication. So let us go for the different logic here. 3 plus 4 is a 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 7 is nothing but 18, 18 plus 11 is nothing but 29, 29 plus 18 is nothing but 47, right? 47. So 47 is our answer. Next question. Here it is 8, 24, 12, question mark, 18 and 54. So here it is increasing and decreasing, is also the alternate pattern. So here from first number we have to get the second number, that is 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is nothing but 24. 24 divided by 2 is nothing but 12. Okay, and 12 into 3 is nothing but 36. But 36 by 2 is nothing but 18. 18 into 3 is nothing but 54. So 36 is our answer. Next question. Here it is 1, 1, 8, 27, 64. Next question. So 1 cube is nothing but 1, 2 cube is nothing but 8, 3 cube is nothing but 27, 4 cube is nothing but 64, and next 5 cube is nothing but 125. So 125 is our answer. Next question. Here it is 1, 8, 9, 64. Next, what is the number? So here it is a 1 square, it is a 2 cube, 3 square, 4 cube, next 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 25. So 25 is our answer. Next question. So here it is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. So 2, it is a plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11, plus 13 is nothing but 50 is our answer, right? It is following this pattern: plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11, plus 13. So plus 13, that is 37, plus 13 is nothing but 50 is our answer. Next question. It is starting with a 0. So first we have to find how we get 0 in this series. That is a 3, and next it is 8, 15, 24. So by looking at these numbers, we'll get an idea about it is related to the square numbers, right? So it is a 1 square minus 1, next 2 square minus 1 is nothing but 3, and next it is a 3 square minus 1 is nothing but 8, and next 4 square is a 16 minus 1 is 15, and next 5 square is 25 minus 1 is nothing but 24, and next 6 square is 36 minus 1 is 35. Next number will be 7 square minus 1, that is 49 minus 1 is nothing but 48. So 48 is our answer. 48, option A is our answer. Next question. Here it is 4, and next 6, next 10, next 18. What is the next number? So 4, 6 is nothing but plus 2. 6, 10 is nothing but plus 4. 10, 18 plus 8. Next it will be plus 16. So 16 is nothing but 18 plus 16. 34. 34. Option A is our answer. Next. So here it is plus 2. Plus 2 is nothing but 15 plus 2 is 17. It is plus 3 is nothing but 20. Plus 2 plus 5. Plus 2 plus 7. Plus 7 is nothing but 36. Here we have two options. Next, it is a plus 7. Next it will be plus 2 only, right? Plus 2. So here it is a 36 and 38. 17, 48, 14, sorry, 17, 14, 15, 12, 13. What are the next numbers? Here it is in the decreasing order. So it is minus 3, plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 is nothing but 10, only one option. This is our answer. Plus 1 is nothing, automatically 11. So option C is our answer. Next question. It is 97, 86, 99, 88, 101, and what are the next numbers? This is also alternate series. So 97 plus 2 is 99, 99 plus 2 is 101, 101 plus 2 is 103. So 103, only one option, that is option C, we can say directly, but we will check for the next number. 86 minus 2, 88, it is a plus 2, sorry, plus 2 is 88, 88 plus 2 is 90. 90 is our answer. 7, 9, 13, 21, 37. What is the next number? 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 5 plus 4 is 13, plus 8 is nothing but 21, plus 16 is nothing but 37, plus 32 is nothing but 69. So 69 is our answer. Next, so here 2, 15, 4, 12, 6 and 7. What are the next numbers? We have to know. So this is also the alternate series. We can see plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. 15 minus 3 is nothing but 12. 12 minus 5 is nothing but 7. 7 minus 7 is nothing but 0. So the answer will be 8, 0. So option B is our answer. Next, so here it is 739 plus, so here 739, 760, 781, 802, 823, 844. So here we have to get the second number from the first number. It is nothing but plus 21. Plus 21 is nothing but 760. 760 plus 21 is nothing but 781. 781 plus 21 is nothing but 802. 802 plus 21 is 823. 823 plus 21, it is nothing but 844. 844 plus 21, that is 865. So 865 is our answer. 865 plus 21, right? Right.